What's up, guys? I'm back with another vlog, and today's vlog is all about a gadget. Yes, a gadget that I wanted to buy for a very long time, but I was searching on the internet and wanted to see which one would be in my budget and one of the best products that I can buy in the market, which can deliver a greatest output for my vlogging. We know how DJI are. They are the best and the phenomenal brand. Honestly, their products are like crazy. Everything is top notch. And yes, it is super expensive. You go with the drones, with the gimbal, with the wireless mic, cameras, what not, you can say. Everything are professional levels and they are super expensive. And when it comes to the wireless microphone, obviously, it's the quality of the output of the product is fantastic. Nobody can match their level. However, it is also expensive. But as I said, I had to search, do a lot of research, and you can say R&D stuff I did, and finally I was able to get my hands on the Godox wireless microphone system. Let's just not waste time and quickly have a look to the video. So the Godox company was founded in 1993. It is specialized in making lights and audio enhancing quality products. Now, obviously, this product is not the only product that they have made. There are many wireless microphone systems that they have created, but this seems to be one of the best product for me. For you, there are many other things. You can go ahead and check it out on their website and have a look. And honestly speaking, you will love the quality and the output of the product. Now, this MoveLink Mini, the microphone system, has been designed with enhanced sound pick and noise reduction tech. So it captures sound from all the direction. That means 360-degree with crystal sound clarity and with natural output that it provides. So that is the sweetest part of this product. Now, this device is very easy to use and to install. It's like a plug and play. Honestly, no rocket science on this to how to use it and how to get it installed and get it connected to your device. And it doesn't require any external lav mic to use this product. So as you can see, I'm using it right now while I'm vlogging. Now, this shows the real output. I will definitely share you my other videos where I have just tried and tested while riding the bike just to see how the video quality and the sound output is going to be. I was not able to connect it to my GoPro that properly, but that was the initial startup because I did not have the actual setup. But honestly, the output was really good enough. And the best part, the ultra sleek design makes it more tasty. Mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing 1 2 3. I hope, guys, I'm audible to you. And this is the first time I'm testing the Godox mic that I have purchased quite recently. However, I did not get a chance to test this earlier. But yeah, on the bike while riding, yeah, this is the first time. Hopefully, the audio quality is really good enough, and this is a budget-friendly mic that I have purchased. The price is around 11,000, Honestly speaking, the the way the mic has been designed and finished, it's really premium, and I hope the output quality of the audio is also premium enough. So, uh, apart from that, let me tell you one thing, that I have somehow managed to get the mic connected to my GoPro 11. You can see over here, even though I was struggling a bit, but I was able to get the mic connected safe and sound. Now, the other part is connected inside the helmet with a dead cat, which is really close to my mouth. And honestly, it's the dead cat is tickling me a lot. You might hear my breathing noise as well. Now, the only reason is because I cannot place the mic far away from my mouth because there's not enough room inside the helmet. So I hope it does give you the great output, because the noise cancellation is also turned on. Hopefully, it does the job. So the MoveLink Mini comes with two different types of version. One is the MoveLink Mini UC for USB-C type, and the other one is a MoveLink Mini LT version for Lightning devices, basically like the Apple products. So what do we get with the MoveLink Mini? We get a connector with TRS and TRPS device connector, okay, which helps you to connect smartphones, tablets, laptops, cameras, and so on. You also get two transmitters and one receiver. Now, with the two transmitter, the battery life of one of the transmitter is for 6 hours and the receiver has 8 hours. Now, you can also vlog with your friend simultaneously with the two transmitter in use, because it provides a dual channel recording system. The last and most important thing is the price. Now, in order to buy a DJI wireless microphone system, it will cost you 30-40,000. But to buy a Godox Mini, it will cost you around 11,000 rupees. Now, here in Pune, I was able to find this at the Audio Palace. The whole vlog is with this same device. So, please do comment and share your opinion towards the product. And if you do like my video, please do share. And I'll be seeing you on the next vlog. Love you. Take care. Bye.